This is problem number 15 from the August 2017 Algebra 2 exam. In this problem, we're trying to find out which one of these four expressions is basically correct, a true statement. Now, there's no fast way to do this other than to go through each one by one until we see which one is in fact true. So let's go ahead and start with option number 1. This one states x plus 2 squared plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 minus 8 equals x plus 6 multiplied by x. Well, so one way to do this would be to expand everything on the left-hand side and expand everything on the right and see if they're equal. But there is a bit of a shortcut here. And the trick is to notice that we have x plus 2 in brackets twice here. So a cool little trick I can show you is what we're going to do is replace x plus 2 with another variable, let's say y. So we're going to make x plus 2 equal to y. So essentially, this is the same thing as y squared plus 2y minus 8. Now, why did we do that? Well, we can actually factor this really quickly. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to get negative 8, and their difference is positive 2. That would be positive 4 and negative 2. Now that we factored it, we can replace y back to what it originally was, x plus 2. So instead of y, this is x plus 2. And then here, y becomes x plus 2 as well. And then if we simplify this, we get x plus 6 multiplied by, well, plus 2 minus 2 cancel each other out. So we're just left with x. And look at that. We got exactly what we were hoping for. The right-hand side of the equation is equal to the left-hand side. So we got lucky this time around. Option number 1 is the correct answer. So we don't really need to go through the other three. But so you can stop the video now, but if you're curious, I will show you another one just to give another example. Let's test to see if number 4 is correct. You'll notice a similar situation here. We've got an x squared minus 4 in brackets twice. So again, I'm going to replace that with y. So we'll say y squared minus 5y minus 6. And then here again, we can factor this quickly. We would get y minus 6 and y plus 1. And then we'll replace y back to what it used to be, which was x squared minus 4. And then simplify. So here we would get x squared minus 10, and then the other set of brackets will have x squared minus 3. So we can see that that does not match the right-hand side here at all. All right, I'm not going to bother going through the other two to show that they're incorrect, but I mean, essentially, if you really wanted to, hopefully understand that you would, like in this case, you would expand this and compare it, and you would do the same case here. You'd expand this and see if it's equal to the other side. But in both cases, they obviously would not be true. Anyway, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.